Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel My Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related queries. Amazon.com is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce and other various technological fields. It is spread worldwide with maximum customers from all around the globe. Today we're going to be speaking on a step-by-step process on how to create and sign up for an Amazon account on a desktop. Let's start our video now without further ado. Firstly, go to your web browser and type amazon.com and press enter. As you can see, we'll be directed to amazon.com e-commerce site here. Now you can see the sign in and start here button at the top right corner of your screen. If you have an Amazon account already, then you can just sign in, or if you're a new customer, then you can go ahead and click on start here button. So you'll see the sign up form now, and here you'll have to enter your full name, email address and password. Make sure you enter your correct email address, and you'll have to put a 6-character unique password at least to sign up. After entering all the details, click on create your Amazon account. You'll have to verify your email address now. To verify your email address, you'll have to enter the 6-digit OTP that has been sent in your email ID that you entered earlier. For that, let's go ahead to our Gmail ID where our OTP code has been sent. So as you can see, here is an email from Amazon in your inbox. Click on it to get your code. Now let's copy this OTP code and then go back to your Amazon page again and paste it right here. That's all there is to it, guys. Congratulations, your Amazon account is ready and you can shop now. I hope the video was helpful to you. For pointers on how to create accounts and more how-to videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn your bell notification on. If you have any queries, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.